Silence has a language, one that only the sensitive truly understand. It speaks not in words, but in pauses, in glances, in the wait between breaths. If you've ever been the quiet one, you know. Silence isn't emptiness. It's full, overflowing, with everything you never found the courage to say. You listen when others talk. You absorb every emotion in the room, like rain soaking into open earth. And yet, the world mistakes your quiet for weakness. They don't see how much strength it takes to hold everything inside. Silence is not the absence of noise, it's the presence of depth. Because inside the quiet mind lives a storm, gentle, invisible, powerful. Psychologists say quiet people process the world more deeply. Their brains stay longer in reflection, empathy, memory. It's why they notice small details others miss, a shift in tone, a trembling voice. But feeling so much comes with a price. When your heart is tuned to every frequency, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You smile instead of explaining. You nod instead of correcting. Because somewhere along the way, you learned that silence keeps peace. That speaking your truth might break something you can't repair. But peace built on silence is a fragile kind of peace. Because when you never speak, the world forgets to listen. You start fading into the background, present but unseen. Quiet people don't want attention, they want understanding. They crave the kind of connection where no words are needed. But the world moves fast, too fast for those who feel deeply. And so, silence becomes both a shield and a prison, a place to hide from noise and from yourself. Still, there's beauty in that quiet space. It's where ideas grow, where empathy breathes, where truth whispers softly. But maybe silence isn't meant to last forever. Maybe it's the pause before courage. Because when quiet souls finally speak, the world changes. Their words may be few, but they echo. They don't shout to be heard, they whisper to be felt. And those whispers often reach farther than any scream. So don't apologize for your quiet. Your silence holds wisdom the world desperately needs. Just remember, silence should heal, not hide. When you finally speak, do it with the grace of still water. And when you stay quiet, let it be peace, not fear. Because true silence isn't an escape, it's the sound of a soul finally at rest.